Hi, I'm Jake with the Graco engineering team. I'm going to show you how to install the True3Fit LX 3-in-1 car seat, rear facing with lower anchor attachment. Before installing your car seat, you should prep it so it's ready. Store the tether and remove the lower anchor from its storage position. To do this, lift the seat pad, push down on the storage tab, and pull on the lower anchor to remove it. Do this on both sides of the car seat. When routing the lower anchor belt through the belt path, take note of where the buckle is. If the buckle is in the middle or the innermost position, then route the belt in front of it. If the buckle is in the front position, then route the belt behind it. Then route the lower anchors through the belt path on either side of the car seat. Make sure that the strap lies flat and is not twisted in the belt path. Adjust the recline to positions 1 or 2 marked on the blue label. Your vehicle should be on level ground. Place rear facing in the vehicle, making sure that the base is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% is on the vehicle seat. Now you can check the level indicator to ensure that the ball is in the blue zone. Extend the lower anchor strap by pressing the button and pulling on the webbing. Now you can attach the lower anchor connector to the lower anchor in your vehicle on each side. Next, pull the strap to tighten. Push firmly in the center of the seat and pull on the strap. If you're having trouble getting the car seat tight, you can route the tail of the webbing back through the belt path and pull from there. To check for tightness, grab the seat near the belt path and try to move it left to right and front to back. You shouldn't be able to move it more than 1 inch. And finally, double check the level indicator to ensure the ball is still in the blue zone. Now you're ready for your baby. Check for proper harness height. Make sure the straps are at or just below the child's shoulders for rear facing. Buckle the child and attach the chest clip. Tighten the harness using the straps at the front of the seat and check that the chest clip is at armpit level. Do the pinch test. You shouldn't be able to pinch any slack at the child's shoulders.